Hello, yes. Mama don't come again, Mama don't come again, Mama don't come again, Mama don't come. So my people, now good afternoon, anywhere where you dey, God will bless all of you now, and anywhere where you dey, God will bless you, bless your family. Where you dey look me, anywhere where you come across my video, so make you subscribe, and God will bless you as you dey do one. And if you don't subscribe before, God will still bless you. If you never subscribe, God will bless you, make you subscribe. God will bless you every day by day. So na small thing I want to see show una this afternoon, okay? Because you know one thing, some people dey when be say yes, they don't know value of children, okay? Some people dey when be say yes, God just give them children, they don't know wetin be value. Okay, so you get this man, when I maybe una don see am, they don share am for Facebook. So this man, when he put pikin for inside drum, begin dey beat am for inside there. So how una see that situation when that man do with that small boy? I don't know wetin dey worry some people. Before they say na some women dey do am, na men. And this thing when it happen na Cameroon, this thing for happen. The capital of Cameroon, the big place of Cameroon, na this thing for happen. Okay, they say no be only one place bad thing dey. As e dey all over the world. E dey for Africa, mostly Africa. Why we Africa dey always dey do all these things? They don't know the value of children. So make I show una this guy, but I know they hear the language. You go know say yes, na Cameroon na the guy come from, because they speak French, okay? See am. Wanna see wetin they do with this small boy. Who pikin for inside drum? See am. Wanna see wicked person. Una see am. See am. Who pikin for inside drum, they begin dey beat am for there. See am. Just too terrible. Wetin this guy do so no be nice thing at all. Na see am. Pikin dey cry. Na see am.
Des images mettant en scène le petit Joachim et son tuteur.
This one is small boy.
C'est ici dans cette maison rue Dimbok au
They will not know what happen.
que ces actes de torture
This
se
one the guy when they
produisent.
beat am. Okay.
Les faits ont soulevé une levée de boucliers dans le quartier.
Okay.
Le 22 décembre dernier.
We don't know what happen when the guy just pull the pikin for inside drum. The boy they cry, he see they beat am for inside the drum. Cameroon people, I don't know. They not be everywhere. That is not be only Nigeria bad thing dey. So now all over the world and Africa as a whole. Okay, because for this man to do this kind thing, it dey very bad. Nothing when that boy go do anything when that boy do, he's supposed to beat am for use cane take beat am. No be say you go put am for inside drum. Maybe water dey there now, water no dey inside now. They mama the boy for inside the drum. Some people they use their hand till they cause wetin dey worry them. They use their hand till they do bad thing, because tomorrow when the thing will come dey fall for their head, or say another people now they worry them, and they don't forget wetin they don't use their hand cause. Okay, this small boy now when they put for hair now, where everybody they look now, people don't share. Even one of my friends shared yesterday. I say, God, wetin be all this problem when we say yes? All these African people, they don't know how to look after their children. Even though say the boy na thief, anything when he do, that one not give am the privilege when we say yes, you go dey beat that boy for inside drum. I dey hate people when they maltreat children. Okay, I know they like am. Why? Because me, I love children, my people. Nobody will not love children, except na bad person go say no love pikin. Okay, but if this boy na your pikin, he go feel beat am like this. I don't know. But wetin come pay me for inside be say I know they hear the French, the French when they whether na French, I don't know. The French when they speak, I know they hear am. Okay, but I just see the way he pull that boy, way they pull that boy. It dey very bad and it dey very obvious. No be good thing. Okay, no be waiting. Papa or mama supposed to do to a children. No matter what your pikin go do you, no matter how wrong that boy or that girl do, you're not supposed to pull that boy for that punishment, beat that boy. It dey very bad. It dey very bad. For God's sake. Why? All these people, they know they get this feeling for children. They know say these children when they punish like this, so you know they rhyme. Why police never arrest that guy? Even though self na thief, even though self he chop the whole meat when they say pot, that one reach to kill somebody. That one reach to put head for inside pot, inside drum, make you begin the mama run for them. So people, they get bad mind. Not be only women get bad mind. Some women, not be all. Not be only some women get bad mind, but some men, this na Cameroon, so when see they do bad thing. Not be said Cameroon, they don't they do bad, but they don't just they show them the way that they show Nigeria people. See this one, I don't come out different from thank God say Facebook e dey when they share things, okay? Because now this man go answer question, okay? Because even though that boy do anything wrong, no, that man self who do say na him pikin, he no get right to put that boy head for ground inside the drum, make it dey beat am. If water dey inside the drum, the boy go dey drink water, he go dey beat am join am. God, people when they look for pikin, God make you go give them. People when you no need pikin, they don't know the value of pikin. You the part children they give them, they will they maltreat the children. Those when we say yes, they get opportunity to take look after the children, where they get love to show the children. Go they hard. God and beg. Make you give people when we say yes, they still they in need of picking, make you give all of them. Because all these people when we say they get bad mind, which people you're not supposed to give them children. I don't know why. I don't know why. Because of bad thing when they do, bad thing just food their belly. If na your pikin, I don't know. I suppose I dey hear the language now, I for like am. But I don't hear the language. But now that boy, I just draw my attention. Say make I show that boy. I see they don't see put am for Facebook, put am for everywhere. Everybody don't see am. I believe say that man, they must arrest that man and they must ask him why he go do wetin he go do so. He not supposed to do that thing when he do so. He supposed to bring that boy. Then they see Cain. You flog am for hand. You flog am for where you want flog am. But it's not be the one you go just put your hair for inside water, inside drum. Water dey, water not dey now. Let God know. You begin the boo la la for them. They beat am for them. They beat am for agbo. Ha. This na man so. This na man so. Now see wetin some men they do their children. Now see am tomorrow now when that boy will come grown and come dey punish him papa. Or come they do it papa bad. They say that boy na bad person. No, you can't blame such person. You know if you blame him. Okay, what of when he kill that boy, can't die go? Like that girl when you go kill the pikin because of his boyfriend. He want go follow his boyfriend. He just carry pikin go throw him for inside this thing pit. You know this thing where they call him, where they drill water. Oh hi, now they call him for Benin. I don't forget the name for English. Inside the oh hi. He just carry the baby girl, whether not baby boy, because he want follow the boyfriend. He don't go carry belle for another place. He don't know give him belle. Carry the pikin go the boyfriend house. As he dead there, and we don't know what he happen. Just go carry the pikin. Oh yeah, throw him for inside pit where water dey. Just throw the pikin, just kill the pikin. That kind person, thank God they don't arrest that small girl. They don't arrest. Just look human being the way that they do bad. Those when they look for pikin. Suppose he said the guy say he don't know who give him belle. But before you go they do all this you supposed to know first man when he give you belle, when he meet you, when you get your this thing. But the girl, she don't do that one. Just carry pikin, go throw her for inside pit, where water everything. He kill that pikin. Okay? He said because he don't know he give him belle and he want go meet his boyfriend. Why? But now, the boyfriend did not go meet him. But now, prison they go. And later I say no know what he come over her. How you not go know what he come over you? To carry pikin go kill and I be say he might they very deep. I don't know some people the way God take create there and dark mind, or you want call these people devil, or you want call them another name. You can call them any name, my people, because they don't deserve respect from anybody. They don't deserve what they do. So This one now, never kill the guy, never kill the small boy, but now beat it, just a beat am. You go carry person head, put for inside this thing, begin the bulalana. What of when blood can go enter the brain? I don't know wetin dey worry these African people, whether they no get brain, whether wetin dey worry them for their head. I no understand. I no understand for them. Okay, I no just understand. They supposed to, all these people, they supposed to they arrest them, make dem go keep them for prison, make dem still punish them. You know the way that man take put that boy for that inside that water, they will still carry the man, put am for inside the drum, beat am for inside, tie the two hand, go back, beat the man, make he see the pain when he give that boy, make he see the pain when he cause for that boy, make he see that cry when that boy cry, make that man still cry the same cry with that boy, make he know say yes. To be small pikin wey be say yes, e no fit defend himself. Why you no go fight him mate? You wan tell me say mate never insult am since all this while? For go fight them. Nothing when that boy go do Mr. Man when you go dey beat that boy like that. I no side you, and you are ungrateful human being. You no thank God. God give you pikin. You wan kill am, whether na your pikin or whether na another person. You know, you no just even respect God when he bring that boy come life. You wan just kill that boy because say he go thief, because say he send a message, he no go, because say wetin he do, he peace for house, he do bad thing. You not supposed to kill am, because God give you that pikin, not say make you kill am. Not say make you kill am. People when they do bad, people when be say yes, una get children, una they do bad, una they maltreat una children, una stop all this nonsense, una they do, una stop all this thing, una stop am for God's sake. These things is no good, okay? Many things when we say yes, it dey happen. Not be the one we see will talk. The one we will not see will call. God will take control for all these children body. Bad mother when they born you, I pray may God just take control for all these children body. Like the other one that day now, when that woman just pour otota for small girl body. Just see evil people. People when they're not supposed to get pikin for life, God will they give them children. But we not fit ask God, because we know if we ask God that question, because that woman, I own day from the wait for her. That girl when you go through away picking for inside water, inside pit, so when water day, God will still give her own. This man, so God will still give them their own, because not be said they not say make people not do bad, but make you wait for your bad when they do. Wait for every bad thing when they do. They from they wait for you, because there's nothing when that small boy will do when we say yes. You want your go kill him because say he do bad, he do what they never do for life before. Who never mistake, who never do bad thing for this life before, make you roll stone, make you begin to stone other people. But if you don't do before, that stone make you drop am, because you no good. Okay, that pikin na everybody pikin, but you no need to dey beat pikin like this, and you no need to kill pikin. If you know say you no fit train your pikin, you go carry your belle, you go they do anyhow. Give pikin for those who need that pikin. Then they see orphanage home, more than go drop the pikin. Later maybe your mind fit change, you fit go check the pikin, or they fit adopt the pikin out. Instead when we say yeah, go, you don't carry pikin for 9 months. Wetin you wan do na to go kill am. Like the one we still go kill the pikin for London the other day. I still see that one. After how many, even though say they get mental problem, you know, say Africa, all these things they know. Okay, people when they get mental problem, they plenty. When we say you know, we don't know. Okay, but for you both for year, they will tell you say he get mental problem. Maybe he get depression. Maybe he get this one. They will they treat them. But Africa they will just, because of their frustration when they get, they want kill the boy, or they want kill the girl, or now the girl can't be their problem, or now the boy, now the pikin can't be their problem. If you don't say una get problem, una not born now, they don't say una go born the pikin, una go dey pay them. After when they don't grow, una go dey bulala them, now want kill them. Why? May God not forgive una. All these things una they do. I know they like me that they treat children bad, because me, I be mother, and secondly, I love children. Okay, if I see where they treat children bad, I did very bad. I'll just a verse for them. I dey verse, because in that thing, you know they rhyme. When we say you go just a be small pikin, me I dey happy for people progress. But if I see wetin no good, I'll still tell you say this thing when you do so, e no good. See that boy now, you don't say as he dey happy. See them son, he want kill his son. Whether na his son, whether na another person, whether na house boy when they follow and they stay, whether na ogwa and they nobody know. I know they hear wetin they talk, but that boy just draw my attention. una see wetin some people dey do, some men, no be only women, men still dey after all these things wey dey maltreat pikin. Okay, they will just born pikin, they come hate the pikin, come dey maltreat them. May God forgive all of them wey dey do like this. So but their punishment is there for front, dey wait for them. My people, abeg, anywhere una dey na Africa una dey, if una know say una never ready to born, una never born. Okay, no be say una come go born pikin, una go throw one for pit, or una go throw one for somewhere, una go kill am. So anywhere, no peace for the wicked people. So that pikin spirit go dey disturb una dey go, and that boy as e dey beat am, and that boy spirit e no go happy for this wetin this guy dey do. So e no dey very good. So if you know say you no go fit take off another person pikin, go drop am for your papa, drop am for your mama. Anywhere by okpoyagba, wetin person go eat, small the year go come see end. Na so God take dey protect all your children. No be say you come give person pikin, person wey be say yes, you no know as you take suffer, you no know as you take dey labour that day, as you take cry, the person will just come out, you go come dey bulala your pikin, or come dey pour hot water, bad thing when they do. You see them. This one when it still happen, so when that girl go throw away e pikin, so na Kano side e for happen. Maybe una don still see am for Facebook. Na Kano side e go happen, na it happen. So I don't know why evil people dey full everywhere, but wetin we dey pray, may God just, God when they give children, make these children may they pass better mother and better father. When we say yes, it will love, it will really love them. Not be anyhow papa when we say yes, they don't even get head. How much more they will give their children head. Okay, so papa they want still love children, not be all of them. But I pray, may God just see help these children. Okay, those when still there Africa, when they all over the world Africa. So some people still there now when they for the situation of these children. Now the one we see, but God will still protect all of them. No matter condition when they do, God will always protect these children. When we say yes, that they maltreat, that they beat anyhow, that they give them punishment, God will direct their helper come. Because this boy now God direct this helper to this boy now. When they come show him for Facebook now, God don't help that guy. So they don't go touch him again. You know, if you don't tell when they do something, it get when the thing go reach, God will put a stop on it to say this thing is bad, don't do it again. Now that day, now you go beat that boy rich, because make you know say God will intervene for anything when they do for this life. If you do well, he there with you. If you do bad, he there with you. Nobody won't carry your cross. You will carry them by yourself. Okay, so my people, I beg, wanna try more than when you there Africa. If you get many children, take care of your children. Now garri you see, you drink am. Now I buy you see, you drink am. Me, I don't drink garri with groundnut with children. Okay, you know the key person, and where if now will go my talon, wait till you eat for your house, you know go narrate you for his outside. Now garri who drink garri, they say that man, they say if they go house won't go eat, but you don't know who they drink garri they sleep. So now so God take care this one. They say someday when you get, some people day when you don't get. So you know say because you don't get, you won't go keep picking when God give you. Not because I say you want follow one rich man, you won't go keep picking when God give you. No, because when I know my husband, I tell her I get children. If you love my children, you love me. If you don't love my children, get out. He take to my this thing when I tell her. When I tell her, I say okay, no problem. Not so. Because you know, because say they want friend man, you want go kill your pikin, or because say you want, no, you don't do that. Or you won't beat that boy because say wetin that boy do you. I know the year wetin they talk, but I tell now, and that boy just draw my attention. I say okay, this kind of thing me I know they like am, because all of us we get pikin, okay, no matter however, pikin and pikin. So make we always respect all these little children when they come, because say well I almost no these children, this pikin now if you can't do well for her now, all the thing when he do now, you go come be saying a shame for her, you go come dey regret in life, why you do this boy like this, why you do this one like this, because it don't happen to me. Okay, so my people, I beg, make we always look our children well. Mona look on our children well, because me I don't get any small pikin for hand. Okay, and mona look on our children well. All these people when they do bad, I beg, if you not get plenty children, mona know they give to people as mate, you know me, no good. Okay, now punishment when that pikin go come, he go change character. you go come be like say you no love that pikin, you go come dey do anyhow. Pikin wey you see train for your own hand, you see dey hard, talk less of pikin wey you wan go put for another man care. You no know the kind punishment wey dem dey punish am, you no know the kind food wey dem dey give am. Abeg, mother Africa, all over Africa, una take off una children. Anything una see, una manage am. Okay, you when be say you still get pikin, you no know the value of your pikin, you no know the value of that boy, make you change your character, beg. Okay, so my people, I thank everybody, and wanna subscribe for my YouTube channel, wanna still share my video as you dey do, and God will bless you, because me, I stand for good. Okay, I stand for good. I want to make everybody dey okay, make everybody dey happy, my people. Now it be my heart desire for everybody. You see, I say I share that guy video, he dey very happy, I happy with am. So this man, when they see they beat the pikin, so I dey against that thing, so I will still talk to the man as God want am. So my people, so I greet everybody. So thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Vuoi caricare primo?